Women entrepreneurs are tenacious. They are dreaming big and changing our economy. We want to help support early-stage businesses. We want to help empower women entrepreneurs. The Tory Burch Foundation Fellows Program offers entrepreneurs a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to access incredible networks, $10,000 for a business education, and the chance to win a $100,000 grant investment. Hundreds of founders from diverse industries across the United States applied online, and 10 were selected to be Tory Burch Fellows.
I run a company called Diversity Lab, and we create new ways to close the gender gap.
I started my business in a barracks bathroom in Bagram, Afghanistan, when I was deployed with the United States Army.
I saw people that were really interested in doing better for Detroit. I have been able to build jobs in a city that needs jobs.
Savvy Society is a girls' fashion brand that lets young girls define their own style by designing and wearing 3D printed fashion.
The name of my company is Saltopia Artisan Infused Sea Salts.
I am from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I own Diva Dog.
Applications for the Fellows Program are now open. The 10 fellows receive a trip to our headquarters in New York City. The 3 days are packed with workshops and networking with innovative founders and business experts.
Being a Tory Burch Fellow has opened so many doors already.
It's connecting me to so many incredible, inspiring women.
Tory just stands for everything that I think is wonderful in female entrepreneurship right now.
I am thrilled to be joined by industry leaders to help select the winner of a $100,000 investment.
Be fearless, live your passion.
If I could do it, you could do it. Just go for it.
We look forward to learning about your business. Apply on ToryBurchFoundation.org.